Today's topic is to swap the first and the last element of the list. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. First is the basic approach, second is using the pop method, and the third is using the list slicing. Let's start from the first method. Here what we are going to do over here is we are going to take a temporary variable which we were doing in the C and C++. So we are just swapping the values using a temporary variable over here. First, we are creating a function named swap, passing the parameter list. After that, we are taking the size of our list, and then we are creating a temporary variable in which we are storing the first element, and then we are overwriting the first element with the last element value, and we are again overwriting the last element with the first element's value, and then we are returning the list. After that, we are printing it out. As you can see it over here, I have passed the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 in the list, and the first and the last element they got swapped out.